friends, welcome to Maths with Jayant. Today we are going to learn about multiples and factors. These two are really important. Let us get started with today's topic. So now let us see what multiples are. So suppose if I ask the table of 2. Let us recall the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, and then we can continue. So these products that I have got, these are the products of the table of 2. So these are the products of 2. So these products are called the multiples. So multiples are nothing but the products that we get. So these are the multiples of 2. So now if you are given a number, so how do you find multiples? How to find multiples? So what you have to do is that you have to multiply with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5 and so on. So if you have to find the multiples of 12, so what are we going to do? We will multiply first 12 with 1, with 2 and so on. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96 and so on. So this is how we find the multiples. We multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now let us learn a few facts about multiples. So first thing that we should know is that multiples are infinite. Multiples are infinite, they never end, they keep continuing. So we cannot say that this is the largest multiple. Now the second thing that we need to know is that a multiple is always either greater than or equal to the number. So if we take like 7 over here, okay, so that's 7. Let's take 72. So 72 is greater than 12. Or if we take 12, so 12 is the same as 12 over here, but it cannot be lesser at all. So, and now let us learn the third thing. If we say 2 into 7 is 14, then 14 is going to be a multiple for 2 and 7. So these are a few facts about multiples. Now moving on to factors. So what are factors? Like suppose if I say factors of 16. So what does it mean? So what you have to do is that over here you need to see what two numbers that we are getting that make 16. So these two numbers are going to make 16, and if we divide that number with 16, so it will leave a quotient and the remainder as 0. The quotient will be any number but the remainder has to be 0. So the factors of 16, we see that 1 into 16 gives us 16. So if we multiply two numbers and we get 16, so these two are the factors. Then 2 into 8 is 16 and even 4 into 4 is 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 are the factors of 16. They are 1, then 2, then 4, then 8 and 16. Now let us just check how to find factors when you are given the number. So now, as over here we told, we multiply two numbers. There can be any two numbers that we multiply to get 6. So over here, let us find the factors of like 30. So 1 into 30 gives us 30. 2 into 15 also gives us 30. 3 into 10 gives us 30. Now 4 into what gives us 30? No, nothing. So 4 is not a factor of 30. 5 into 6 also gives us 30. Now after this 6 into 5. Wait. But over here 6, it just feels like we have interchanged the places over here. So you don't need to write this, and at this point you can stop. So the factors are going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 13. Now don't you think this is a really time-consuming method? So now first thing, where do you need to check till? You only need to check till half the number. So for 30, you just have to check till 15. You don't need to check any more 16 into what gives us 30, because there won't be any number like that. So now let us check. Now if there is one more point where this and this, these two are numbers one after another, like 4 into 5 or 5 into 6 or 7 into 8. This point also you can stop, because you know that the next number is, this one is going to be that number itself, and it's already written. Or there can be one more case where you can stop. So that is that over here we multiply 2 4s and we got 16. If you are multiplying same numbers, then also you can stop at that point and you no longer need to check further. Now let us know a few facts about factors. So you need to know that factors are limited. We can count them. Factors are limited or finite. So now the second thing is that a factor is always going to be lesser than or equal to the number. Like over here for 30, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So all the numbers are either lesser than or same 30 and 30. But there is no number greater than 30 that is a factor of 30. Now third thing that you need to know, if 2 into 7 is 14, so 2 and 7 are the factors of 14. So this is not the thing that you need to know. Now next thing is that 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 is a factor of every number. And you also need to know that over here, every number has a minimum of 2 factors. Every number, okay, so every number that is leaving 1 has a minimum of 2 factors. So has at least 2 factors. Now we can even check that over here. Like for 2 the factors are 1 and 2. For 3 the factors are 1 and 3. For 4 the factors are 1, 4 as well as 2. And only 1 is one such number that has just only 1 as its factor. So leaving 1, all the numbers have at least 2 factors. At least. They can have of course much more. So hope you understood multiples and factors really properly. Thank you.